Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset. I am passionate about you living a life you love. Do you have a gratitude journal? If you do you want to increase the power of that gratitude journal? And if you haven't started one, here's the reason why you want to do that. Gratitude is such a powerful energy. It's such a powerful practice. And most people have heard the benefits of keeping a gratitude journal, writing down every day things that you're grateful for. And today I want to talk about how to amplify that practice. So if you don't have a gratitude journal, it's something that I would highly encourage you to start. When people ask me what's one thing I can do to start to transform my life, the practice that I offer to them is the gratitude practice. So the way that works is every morning that you would write down 1 to 3 to 10 things that you're grateful for. And I recommend doing that in the morning. You can certainly do that in the evening. The reason doing that in the morning is so powerful is that it's a great way to set the tone for the day. We choose what clothes we're going to wear in the day, how we're maybe going to do our hair or makeup. The most important thing you can put on in the morning is your mindset. And by starting with gratitude, it gets you going in a really good mind frame. Gratitude, when we're looking for what we have in our life to be grateful for, it gets us focused on the good. It gets us focused on what's going right. And wherever we place our attention is where the energy flows, is what we attract more of into our life. So by looking for what you're grateful for, you're looking for the good, and therefore you attract more good into your life. Is there a painting on your wall that maybe you don't notice anymore? It's just a fixture on the wall and you see it all the time. The same thing can happen with your gratitude practice. When we get doing something on a repetitive basis, it can become almost rogue. It's repetitive, but there's not a lot of energy to it. So to amplify that gratitude practice is to really evoke the emotion in it. It's fairly easy to say, I'm grateful for my home, I'm grateful for my family, I'm grateful for my animal. Those types of things are pretty easy to list off. It's when we feel the emotion of it, that's what really amplifies the feeling to attract more good into our life. So 2 ways to amplify that gratitude. One is to add more detail. Instead of saying, I'm so grateful for my kids, it could be, I'm so grateful for yesterday when my kid came running up to me and gave me a great big hug and said that I love you. Or maybe somebody in your family took you out for a nice meal, or a stranger helped you with your groceries. By reliving that moment and that memory and the specifics, you're increasing your energy, you're increasing your emotion, you're adding more amplitude to it. So instead of being general, be more specific. So that's one of the ways to amplitude the gratitude. The other way is to say, why am I grateful for this? So I'm grateful for my home. Well, what about your home? Why are you grateful for your home? Because it keeps me safe. It's a place to host my family, to host my friends. It's a place where I can go and read and relax, where I can prepare meals. And by saying, why am I grateful for it? Again, it'll increase the amplitude. It'll make you feel better, which increases your energy and that mindset for the day, which is setting you up for success. So gratitude is such a powerful practice. I would highly encourage you to experiment with it, see what happens. Commit to a 30-day experiment with writing down 5 to 10 things that you're grateful for every day and see what happens in your life. And if you're noticing it's becoming more of something that you're just doing and not feeling, try adding something more specific to that gratitude list and then ask the question, why? And by doing those 2 things, you'll amplify your results. So what are you grateful for today? I would love for you to comment below and share one thing that you're grateful for. Let's build that energy as a community. And if this served you, make sure you like the video, subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, and here's to your success.